Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to another on-the-road video with ApplianceVideo.com.
Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
Okay, what we're looking at today is a Whirlpool dishwasher. The customer complaint is they're having poor washability and it's taking longer than it should to run a load. Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to replace a control board. Tools needed for the repair is a T15 Torx and a flat blade screwdriver. First thing we're going to do to start this repair is remove the front panel. T15 Torx screws. Now we're going to remove the user interface. We're going to remove the other screw right here. Move this out of the way. Undo the harness. Okay, we're going to remove the harness retaining bar to have access to the harnesses. Okay, then there's a clip on the top. You want to flex that and then move it to your left. This will allow us to take the board out. Okay, just for ease of installation, I like to do the harnesses with the board not installed yet. Next, I'm going to put the board in place, slide it over and clip it in. Then I'm going to reinstall the user interface. You don't want to forget to plug it in. Going to install the wire harness retaining bar. Okay, I'm going to install the screws in the user interface. I'm going to reinstall the front panel. Okay, with that completes a repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.